guys, welcome to One Stop Food. As this is summer, we are celebrating mango season with making a mango lassi. So let's see the ingredients for it. Fresh mango pulp 1 cup, sugar half cup, curd 1 cup, milk 1 glass, ice cubes 5 to 6, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, fresh cream 1 tablespoon, mixed chopped dry fruits for garnishing. So let's see how to make our mango lassi. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. For more mango recipes, please check the description box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.